Hello friends, welcome. In today's video, I'll discuss a very common question for the orals. What is the difference between audit, inspection, and a survey? Let's get started. Guys, for the keyword, you can remember that audit is about the past, inspection is about the present, and survey cares about the future. So these are the three keywords, and now we'll go in the description. Let's understand the audit now. So audit is carried out as per ISM code. Basically, it is done to verify that the system established, the SMS system established is working well, and it can be done by checking the records and procedures. And here are some salient features of an audit. Audit always forecasts on the past activities and then detects the fault and proposes the corrective action. So let's say there was an unforeseen incident that had happened in the past. Now, during an audit, they will try to detect what was the fault and what can be done so that this is not repeated. And that proposed change must become part of the SMS so that it is not repeated. Next feature is that audit always focuses on the system operation, system procedure, and documentation. So basically, whatever is the part of SMS, audit verifies that everything is in order and it's working well. And again, a similar point that audit is focused on software items, which basically means that it does not care if any equipment is working or not. What it cares about is if any machinery is not working because of the system, then what changes are required in that system. Then audit of entire system is not possible as it is done on sampling basis, like surveillance audit. And here is an example. An auditor will check satisfactory repair of pump and will inquire, find and analyze as to when the pump was last inspected, why deficiency was not found before survey, etc. And finally, audit is a management scheme like ISM, ISPS, MLC, and the outcome of an audit is a non-conformity. Let's understand inspection. As mentioned earlier, inspection is about the present. Inspection is done by the port state control, flag state, to verify if everything on board is currently working well. They may verify not only the system, but also the equipments and the knowledge of people who are working on the system. The outcome of an inspection is called a deficiency. Let's now understand what is a survey in comparison to these two. Survey, as mentioned earlier, is focused on ensuring that the vessel would continue to stay seaworthy in the future until the next survey. Survey is carried out by the flag state or a relevant recognized organization for various certification of the ship. Here are some salient features of a survey. Survey focuses on the future activities so that the equipment continues to function for the next survey. Survey focuses on the physical status of the machinery or equipment. Survey looks on the product. Survey focuses on the hardware. Survey of the entire system is possible, like safety equipment survey, main engine performance survey, etc. An example for survey would be that fire pump is being checked by the surveyor whether it's working satisfactory, or a circumstances in which a satisfactory repair of a fire pump has been made and the noted deficiency has been rectified. The outcome of a survey is generally certification or a non-compliance. Okay guys, I hope the difference between survey, inspection and audit is clear. Audit is about the past activities, inspection is ongoing, and survey is focused on the future, that equipments continue to work well. I hope it was a useful video for you. If you have any feedback, suggestion or comment, then please write down below. I thank you for watching and all the best.